Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I will present about arithmetic and geometric progression. What is arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers in which its successive term is the sum of its preceding term and fixed number. And what is geometric progression? Geometric progression is a sequence where every term bears a constant ratio to its preceding term.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Fashafuddin bin Muhammad Roslan. Now we are going to the problem background 1. For the first case, Mr. Hanafi borrowed 7,800 from his friend and promised to make repayments in monthly installments, starting with the first payment of 800 and onwards, adding 50 ringgit for each next month. What is the number of months required by Mr. Hanafi to settle the loan?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amin Wasi bin Ghazali. Now I will present about filler table first case. First, we have facts. Mr. Hanafi borrowed money from his friend and made monthly installment payment to his friend to replace the money. Second, the payment for the first month is 800. Third, it increased every month by 50 ringgit. Last, Mr. Hanafi has to pay 7,800 ringgit. Next, we have ideas. First, Mr. Hanafi has to pay the debt with the bank. Second, Mr. Hanafi's business has just begun. Third, Mr. Hanafi's business began to grow slowly. Besides, we have learning issues. First, how long did Mr. Hanafi take to pay? Second, what caused Mr. Hanafi to open a new business? Third, how does Mr. Hanafi want to increase the income from his business? Last part, we have action plan or resource needed. First, book a questionnaire. Second, identify the maximum monthly settlement that does not exceed the budget. Third, find the number of months using the arithmetic progression formula. That's all from me. So for the next part, I give to my friend to continue. Thank you.
As you can see on the screen, there is solution of case study 1. The monthly payment for an arithmetic progression is A equal to 800 and B equal to 50. Let's say the number of months required to settle a loan equal to N. So we start with the first step as N equal to 7,800, and the next step N per 2 multiply with 2 in bracket with 800 plus N minus 1 in bracket multiply with 50. So we got 25 N power of 2 plus 775 N equal to 7,800. So move 7,000 to left side of equation, so it will be equal to 0. Then do the quadratic formula, and we got N equal to 8 or 39. So the conclusion, Mr. Hanafi needs 8 months to settle the loan. So that's all from me. Thank you very much.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Amirul Ikmal. Now we are going to problem background 2. So for the second case is Habibi is on the top of the building and he had released the football from the building to the ground with a height of 660 cm. After falling, the football bounced back to off its previous height. The football keeps bouncing and the distance becomes shorter until it stops. Find the height of the football when it reaches fourth bounce from the ground.
Thank you, Amirul. Alright, Assalamualaikum sir. My name is Zaim and I will continue this part. Based on this second case, we found that the ball will bounce after hitting the ground because the football is very elastic and light. After that, the football will bounce and the height will decrease due to gravity pulling towards the ground. From this second case, we want to know why the ball bounced. What caused the ball to bounce to a stop. Next, how gravity affect the bounce of the ball and whether the bounce head has a head relationship when the ball released. We were able to solve this case by using the geometric progression formula, and the force on the ball would hit the ground as well as give the same force back on the ball. Next, Amiro will explain about the solution part.
So now we are going to the solution for problem background 2. Basically, we are using a geometric progression formula for solving this problem. The formula is an equal ar to the power n minus 1. So a equal 660, r equal 2 over 4, n equal 4. So an equal 660 times 2 over 4 to the power 4 minus 1, and then 660 times in bracket 2 over 4 to the power 3, and then 660 in bracket 1 over 8, and the answer is 82.5 cm. So basically the height of the ball when it reach for bounce point the ground is 82.5 cm.
Okay, the discussion. The first case, we use an arithmetic progression with formula and we managed to solve and complete the case. The second case, we use a geometric progression with the formula and we finally will be able to complete and solve the case. The conclusion, we find that the use of mathematics is important in our daily life. Also, in applying progression in life, we need to know some skill to help us in solving problems. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you guys for listening our presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.